Okay, goodie, I'm about to show you how to make the best garlic shrimp fried rice in your kitchen ever. This recipe is highly requested. I'm about to show you how to turn up the kitchen mad loud. Now, if you are new to my channel and you are watching me cook up this garlic shrimp fried rice for the very first time, make sure that you have subscribed. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and do so. Turn on that post notification goodie so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. Are you ready to watch me cook up this garlic shrimp fried rice in your kitchen? Fast, easy and simple. Well, come on and let's get started then now.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Well, okay goodies, let's jump right into the recipe. And this recipe is like so easy, like 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step so you will get it perfect the very first time. Now I have some shrimp right here, and you want to make sure that your shrimp are nice and clean. You want to also make sure that those shrimp are deveined thoroughly, nice and washed, clean with lemon juice, salt and vinegar. That's how you want to have these shrimp. And I'm also using uncooked shrimp, right? I have another recipe to show you how to make shrimp fried rice, another technique, and I will have that link down below, right, so you can follow that one. This one is a raw shrimp recipe. Now, in addition to that, I have some cooked rice here, and the rice of my choice that I'm using is parboiled rice. I love parboiled rice with everything. I also have right here some mixed vegetables, that's carrot and beans. Now, in addition to that, I'm going to add some pepper to it, bell pepper, sweet pepper, whatever you want to call it, right here. And I'm using red, right? Now you want to get some onions as well, that's chopped. Tons of garlic, because this is garlic shrimp fried rice. Now you want to get your eggs together. I'm using 3 large eggs. Also 4 tablespoons of butter. You want to also add some sugar. Now you can substitute the sugar out for maple syrup if you want, but that's 2 tablespoons of organic cane sugar right there. Now I'm going to add my vinegar because I never cook without that. I'm also going to add some soy sauce, and to flavor it up, I'm going to be using my all-purpose seasoning right there. So, right? That covers that for right now. So let's get started. Okay, goodie, we're moving on to our very first step. I have my pot there. You want to go ahead and add just a little bit of oil to it. And after you add your oil, you're going to add your butter. Now, if you don't have butter, you could use margarine, but I prefer to use butter for this. And I'm adding 4 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic. And you want to add as much garlic as you possibly can add. The more garlic, the better. Now you want to make sure that you do not burn that garlic, alright? Now burn it. As soon as that butter melts, you want to go ahead and add your shrimp in. Now to give that shrimp some flavor, I'm just going to add some all-purpose seasoning to that. Now if you don't have all-purpose seasoning, you can use seafood seasoning, you can use all-base seasoning, fish seasoning, whatever kind of seasoning you want to use it. And I'm going to add some paprika, right? This shouldn't take no more than about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes tops. That's all I need for these shrimp. And all I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go ahead and remove them from the heat after 3 to 4 minutes. Now, with that same pot where you make the shrimp, is a lot of flavor. So you go back in and you add some oil to it. And I added about 2 tablespoons of oil right there. You want to go back in again and add another 4 tablespoons of butter to that. And I'm also going to add another tablespoon of garlic. eggs to it, and I'm using 3 large eggs. If you notice what I'm doing here, I'm scrambling my eggs, not in the entire pot, right? I'm just using the side of the fryer. Now here I'm going to add my vegetables right there, onions, and my bell pepper. You want to add your 2 tablespoons of cane sugar or mix and combine all this together. Now you want to go ahead and add your rice in. And at this point you want to turn your fire down on low to medium heat. And just get all this in together. Now we're going to give it flavor because it's all about flavor. So I'm adding some garlic powder to the rice mix. And then I'm adding some onion powder as well. All-purpose seasoning goes on next. A little bit of paprika and black pepper. Now it's up to you to know if you want to add salt to yours. I'm not going to add any salt to this because salt is already added to the rice. And then you add your soy sauce. Now I'm going to add my shrimp back in. Top it off with some scallions on top. Mix that all together. Give this about another 3 minutes the most because everything is already cooked. You don't want to cook that shrimp anymore. Another 2 to 3 minutes, and trust me, this right here is done. That right there, guys, is all done. Look at that. I'm all done here. It was fast, it was easy, and it was simple. Did I have delicious as well? I hope you have already subscribed, right? Share the recipes, like the recipe, and all of other good stuff. But make sure you're subscribing up big time. Now, if you want to see me make more recipes like this, make sure to share the recipes with your friends and your family. Everybody you want to share it with, go ahead and share. Spread the love. So, thumbs up, like, and share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.